Hi, if your house has one of the following three problems, I've got a solution for you. First, if you have an older house and it's drafty, or you have a wooden facade and you find that the mice are finding a way to get inside really easy, or if you find that your house just can't stay warm in the wintertime, then the solution to this problem is to get yourself a brand new facade, but use Tyvek house wrap. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be Tyvek, there's other house wraps on the market, but the fact is, this is a weatherproof material. We're gonna show in the demonstration that how much it holds water and keeps your house dry. Remember, keeping your house dry is the number one rule about keeping pests out. If you let it get wet, then they'll eat through the soft wood, right? And if you don't have an air barrier, which is what this is, then every time it's windy, it's gonna blow right through your walls, it's gonna suck all of your heat out of your house, and that is money lost. A lot of homes out there, no matter where you are and what climate, need an air barrier. This is an air barrier, which means when it's really windy, it kills the drafts that are coming through your wall. Fantastic, especially in the north when you're gonna have all your heat loss in the wintertime. Taking off your old siding and adding a house wrap first is the number one most efficient way to increase your R value of your house and efficiency of your heating of your home, and it costs pennies a glass. So consider using that on your next project. The other thing this is it's weatherproof. And by weatherproof, I mean it's almost a waterproofing system. So you can put this on your house and any water driven by the rain that gets in behind your facade will not penetrate the wood and start mold to grow. This is a huge benefit. And the other thing about this product, and this is where we get a lot of confusion, no, it's not a vapor barrier. By this not being a vapor barrier, this is what I mean. It means that water vapor will pass through this. So if you have a house with a basement and you get too much moisture through your walls or you have an older foundation, the house itself needs to be able to transmit that vapor, that moisture from the basement up through the walls and then through the outside of the house, through the house wrap. This will keep the weather out, but allow the vapor to move out. So you aren't gonna trap the humidity in your home, okay? And that is really the science. It's about keeping the water out, but letting relative humidity pass through. Okay, so let's just show a quick demonstration of this product. Yes, it makes a lot of noise. And you need a really sharp knife to work with it. It's the same stuff that they're using to make hospital suits during COVID. So over the last couple of years, it's been hard to find. So if you just bought yourself a brand new house, you might not have it. I got my Tyvek here, and I got a pail, and I gotta make sure that I don't pour it on the wrong spot, all right? We're just gonna fill it up with some water. All right, there we go. That is a bag of water. Not bad, eh? So consider the next time you're doing a project. When you renovate the exterior of your house, you get a bigger return on investment than if you renovate the inside. So one of the great places you can look is at your facade. If you can update your windows and your siding and get a house wrap, you're going to increase your efficiency and you're going to get rid of your drafts, you're going to make your house more comfortable, and you're going to make your house more valuable. So don't be afraid of using house wrap. No, it's not going to trap moisture and cause mold. If you don't believe me, jump in the comment section, we'll have that conversation. There we go, guys, house wrap. Don't finish your house without it. If you're gonna be doing an exterior renovation this year, then consider watching this video right here. It's our video, teaches you how to do vinyl siding from A to Z as a homeowner. It's a project you can definitely do. We're here to help. Cheers.